Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform coshx and sinhx into this one and this one. So for the first one, we have like this. Now we need to simplify, and we have e to the power of negative x. So this one we have e to the power of negative x, and next this one we divide by e to the power of x, so we have e to the power of negative x and negative x. So we have x and x, we can do about factorization. Now we have the formula in here. So capital as the small a, that is about negative and negative number 1. So we need to transform this one into this one. And this is the answer for the question. Now let's go to the next one. We do the same. So coshx, that is about this one. Sinhx, that is about this one. Now we can simplify, and we have e to the power of x. So this one we got about e to the power of x and minus x. So we can do about factorization by x. And we have the final answer. And the last one. So I will put this one go in here, and this one go in here. Now we simplify this one, and we have negative e to the power of negative x. So this one we can put like this. So this one I will put outside. And this one we can put e to the power of negative x and negative x. Now we can do about factorization. This is the end. Thank you for watching.